Welcome to Real Internet Cash TV. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now in this video, I'm going to talk about how much money you can potentially make with 1 million YouTube views as an affiliate marketer. Now this is super exciting, especially if you are new to affiliate marketing or you've been struggling with affiliate marketing. Now, all right, there's tons and tons of videos on YouTube that talks about, how much YouTube paid me for 1 million views, how much money I earned from 1 million views, and so on and so on, right? But I noticed like no one really talks about how much they got paid from, like an affiliate offer that they were promoting, because a lot of these videos, they're basically just telling you how much YouTube paid them from their the AdSense, the ads that pop up on their videos. They're not really talking about any other income. So some videos, right, with 1 million views, just from the YouTube earnings, I see where they get $10,000 for that video with a 1 million views, right? Some videos 20 grand, some over $30,000 just from the YouTube ads. All right, so say you are an affiliate marketer, right, and you're getting a product and you're just getting a $10 commission. So just think, a $10 commission. Now affiliate marketers, they got affiliate programs where you can earn $10 all the way up to $1,000 commissions, right? But we'll just stick with the modest, $10 commission. All right, so say you get a video that goes viral, or it might even take you a year or so to develop 1 million views on whatever it is, right? Imagine only 1% of people buy whatever it is you're promoting, right? Think about that. 1% of 1 million, I believe I'm correct, is 10,000, right? So you would get 10,000 sales from that 1 million views. All right, so what's 10,000 sales times $10 commissions? That's right, $100,000, right? You can get $100,000 in commissions. Not to mention whatever you're gonna make from YouTube ads. Like that could be an extra $10,000 to $20,000 to $30,000 on top of that $100,000 commission. Now keep in mind, like I just said, most things that you're promoting, you're getting, $40 commissions, $20 commissions. But even at the $10 level, even if you drop it to $5, that's crazy money. All right, and that's just the power of affiliate marketing, combining it with YouTube. That's why I always tell affiliate marketers, like, yo, get on YouTube. You know what I'm saying? Like, because there's so many different ways you can make videos. You don't have to be on camera like this, right? You can even have somebody else. If you got a kid that like being on camera, your spouse or a friend, if they want to hop in front of the camera, right, that can be very beneficial. But if not, you can do, use stock photos and stuff like that. You can, do cartoonish type videos or just screenshot presentations like slideshows, whatever, right? Just get content about whatever you promoting on YouTube. Because I'm just giving you this quick example because it's really happening. It's just a lot of people don't talk about it. But you can make so much more money as an affiliate marketer on YouTube than just a straight up YouTuber who's just depending on the YouTube ad money. And don't get me wrong, a lot of YouTubers are making enough money that they're living off of their YouTube ads, right? Now it's not highly suggested to try to do that, just because YouTube, YouTube be going through their phases. 1 minute, you getting paid this, the next minute is lower, next minute is higher. I mean, it's cool to make money, any money from YouTube, but what I'm saying, you want to get a little more consistency and more like a concrete thing. Because if you're promoting an affiliate product and it's $10, you're getting $10 commissions or $20 commissions. You already know that, right? So like I said, the opportunity is out there. You're just one video away. All right, so if you are looking for some easy recurring income affiliate programs that you can start with today and start building content and start making videos about today, watch this video right here, right now. So guys, I hope you see the potential of what I just shared with you. Now, if you don't currently have anything that you're promoting and you're looking for some recurring income affiliate programs that you can get started with today and start making YouTube videos today, you definitely want to watch this video right here, right now.